So you want to master the art of attraction without turning into a walking rom-com cliché. The world tells you that to catch his eye, you need flawless makeup, the perfect wardrobe, and a social media presence that screams, "Look at me!" But what you actually end up with is a closet full of outfits you never wear and an empty phone screen. That's not even a joke. But hey, when you post a selfie with the caption, "Just another day being effortlessly charming," you might get a like or two in perfect English. If you haven't guessed by the title, Seductive Moves Every Man Loves is actually very simple. Even if you think your natural charisma is stuck on snooze mode, if you compare yourself to every rom-com heroine, you're actually pretty powerful. When women like you and me talk about wanting to be more alluring, it means a lot of things. We want to build genuine connections, enhance our confidence, master the subtle art of flirting, and yes, maybe catch his attention without coming off as desperate. We want to know the right moves that make conversations flow, the body language that says, "I'm interested," without saying, "I'm trying too hard," and the little tweaks that make us feel irresistible. The problem is, most advice out there is so vague and cookie-cutter that even if it works, only the most disciplined yoga instructors and suave secret agents could pull it off. Instead, let's dive into specific actionable tips you can try right now. Make eye contact like a pro, laugh genuinely at his jokes, use touch sparingly but meaningfully, and master the art of the playful tease. These sound good, but at some point, you have to actually practice these moves beyond just watching YouTube tutorials or reading blog posts inspired by outdated pickup lines spray-painted on a subway wall. So what can you actually do to become irresistibly charming without losing your authentic self? That's what we're diving into today. Number 1. The power of playful teasing. Playful teasing triggers a man's dopamine system, which is directly tied to desire. According to a study published in the Journal of Interpersonal Relations, humor and playful teasing create emotional highs that men seek out repeatedly. Instead of always giving straightforward compliments, try a playful challenge. For example, if he says, "I'm really good at pool," you could reply, "Oh yeah? I bet I could beat you in 3 shots." If he's wearing a bold color, say, "Wow, you're brave for pulling off that color." It makes the interaction fun and unpredictable, making him crave more of it. You're no longer just another woman being nice. You're the one sparking excitement. Number 2, the art of extended eye contact. Eye contact is one of the most primal triggers of desire. Studies from Harvard University show that gazing into someone's eyes for longer than 7 seconds creates an intense emotional connection, even without words. When you're talking to him, don't break eye contact too quickly. Hold it for just a second or two longer than usual. To take it to the next level, try a triangle gaze. Look at one eye, then his other eye, then his lips, and repeat. It's subtle but powerfully effective. This action lights up the part of his brain that controls attraction. He may not even know why he's feeling it, but he will. Number 3, use the power of mystery. Don't reveal everything about yourself. Men are hardwired to pursue, and if they have nothing to pursue, they lose interest. A case study from relationship science found that people who maintained a sense of mystery around them were 27% more likely to be thought about frequently. Don't share every detail of your life too quickly. If he asks about your weekend, give a playful answer like, "It was interesting. I'll tell you about it later." Be a little unpredictable with your availability. If he texts, don't always respond immediately. Introducing a hint of unpredictability keeps his mind engaged with you. People crave closure, and when he doesn't get all the details, His brain keeps thinking about you. Number 4. Subtle physical touch. Humans crave physical connection. Research from the Touch Research Institute found that even a brief touch on the arm increases oxytocin, the bonding hormone tied to emotional attachment and desire. Brush his arm when you laugh, tap his shoulders to get his attention, or let your hands accidentally touch when handing him something. These small moments of physical touch spark his brain's reward system, signaling, "I like this feeling. I want more of it." Number 5. Confident body language. Men are visual creatures, and confidence is magnetic. When you walk into a room, you're already making a statement before you say a word. Posture, movement, and presence are everything. Walk with your head held high and shoulders back. Avoid fidgeting and use slow, deliberate movements instead of quick, nervous ones. According to body language expert Dr. Albert Mehrabian, 55% of communication is nonverbal. If your body radiates confidence, he will feel it before you even speak. Number 6. The unexpected compliment. Most men don't receive compliments as often as women do, which makes your words hit even harder. According to research by HuffPost, 72% of men said they still remember a specific compliment they received years ago. Instead of saying, "You look good today," try something more unique like, "The way you handled that situation was really impressive." Or, "There's something about your energy today. I can't quite put my finger on it, but I like it." This creates a unique emotional imprint in his mind that he'll replay for days. Number 7. Use the power of silence. Silence is often seen as awkward or uncomfortable, but it's one of the most underrated tools of seduction. Allowing moments of quiet to linger creates an irresistible pull because humans are naturally wired to avoid silence in conversations. People feel a subconscious urge to fill the gap, and guess who usually fills it? Him. This simple psychological trigger forces him to re-engage with you. According to a study published in the Journal of Personality and Social Psychology, people who allow silence in conversations are perceived as more confident and mysterious. This mystery fosters curiosity, which is the first step toward attraction. If you can master this, you become the woman he can't quite figure out, keeping you on his mind. Next time you're talking with him and there's a pause, don't rush to fill it. Smile softly, maintain eye contact, and let the silence stretch for a few seconds longer than usual. Avoid fidgeting or looking away. Just stay present. This subtle act will make him feel like he needs to say something, and when he does, he'll be more emotionally invested. To make it even more powerful, pair the silence with a playful, knowing smile. This creates tension, the good kind that sparks chemistry and desire. Now that you know these seductive moves, it's time to put them into action. Imagine being the woman who stands out in his mind, the one he can't stop thinking about. It's not about changing who you are. It's about learning to work with your natural charm in a way that makes him feel alive in your presence. If you found these moves helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which one you're going to try first. Trust me, once you master even one of these moves, you'll see a difference. See you in the next video.